To set up an Arculus wallet, start by downloading the Arculus app from the official website or your mobile device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Create a new wallet. You will be asked to set up a 6-digit passcode. This will be used to secure your wallet and protect your funds. Next, you will be given a set of 24 words, known as a seed phrase. This is used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. It is crucial to store this seed phrase in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. After setting up your passcode and seed phrase, you will be asked to add a funding source to your wallet. This can be done by linking a bank account or credit card, or by depositing cryptocurrency directly into your wallet. Once your wallet is funded, you can start sending and receiving cryptocurrency. To do this, simply navigate to the Send or Receive section of the app and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to double-check the address and amount before confirming the transaction. It is also important to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. This can be done by going to the Settings section of the app and following the prompts to set up two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can securely set up an Arculus wallet and start using it to send and receive cryptocurrency. Remember to always keep your seed phrase and passcode safe and secure, and to never share them with anyone.